Hola, namaste, and hello my lovely Spanish family. Welcome back to our Spanish alphabet series, episode 9. In our last episode, we covered the letters R, S, and T. Today, we are diving into three cool letters, U, V, and W. These letters look familiar, but their sounds are very different in Spanish. Let's learn together. Let's start with the letter U. In Spanish it's pronounced U.
U.
The Spanish U is pronounced like U in food or moon. Never pronounced like English, U. U can be silent in some combinations, like K, Ki, Ge, Gi. In other cases, U is pronounced normally. When you see U with diaresis, it's pronounced clearly.
स्पेनिश अक्षर यू का उच्चारण अंग्रेजी के ऊ जैसे फूड या मून की तरह होता है। कभी भी यू जैसा नहीं बोलते। कभी कभी यू का उच्चारण नहीं किया जाता, जैसे के की, गे, गी। जब यू आता है दो बिंदु के साथ, तो यू का उच्चारण जरूर किया जाता है।
Universidad.
Universidad.
Estudio en la Universidad de Madrid.
I study at the University of Madrid.
मैं मैड्रिड विश्वविद्यालय में पढ़ता हूँ।
Fruta.
Fruta.
Me gusta la fruta.
I like fruit.
मुझे फल पसंद है।
Guerra.
Guerra.
U is silent.
No queremos otra guerra.
We don't want another war.
हम एक और युद्ध नहीं चाहते।
Pingüino.
Pingüino.
Los pingüinos son negros y blancos.
Penguins are black and white.
पेंगुइन काले और सफेद होते हैं।
Let's now learn letter V, one of the trickiest yet easiest letters in Spanish because it sounds almost exactly like B.
V.
V.
In Spanish, V and B have the same sound. Both are pronounced as a soft B. Lips touch gently, not like strong English V. Words with V are written differently but sound almost identical to B words.
स्पेनिश में वी और बी का उच्चारण लगभग एक जैसा होता है। दोनों को बहुत हल्के ब की तरह बोला जाता है। मतलब बदल सकता है लेकिन आवाज एक जैसी रहती है।
Vaca.
Vaca.
La vaca da leche.
The cow gives milk.
गाय दूध देती है।
Let's move to the letter W.
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 The letter W is very rare in Spanish. It's not originally a Spanish letter. Most words with W are borrowed from other languages, mainly English or German. It is used mostly in brand names, foreign words, technology, and science terms. The official name of the letter is
W. Wi-Fi. Web. Whiskey.
That's all for today. Today we learned three important letters, U, V, and W. Now you know how Spanish words sound, even when they look similar to English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your Spanish learning friends. And tell me in the comments, which letter was the most interesting for you today? See you tomorrow.